Connecticut is making national headlines. Hartford was just named the most expensive place to live in the country. Our capital city, from taxes to rent, it found the median monthly rent is just under $1,200, and New Haven was not far behind. It came in at number 4 on the list.
I was finally able to get the cable that I needed for the cold air intake, and I got some oil and a filter to do an oil change. But the thing is, we have stars and cars at the lab, and I have to leave in about 4 hours. So hopefully we can get this intake installed, oil changed, and the car detailed by the time that we have to leave. Oil's changed. Now we're on to the intake. We just got the air box off. Just remove this flathead and just pull it straight off. This is taking a little longer than I expected, but we got the oil change done. We got the old intake hose off. We're about to throw the new one on. And that's the baby Turbski in there, buddy. Intake is all installed. Oil's changed. And hopefully everything's put back together. So we're gonna go ahead and start it for the first time.
Nah, it ain't funny. This is serious content.
Made it to the gas station, getting some E85 Red Bull, and we're still gonna be like a half hour late. Yeah. Drove all the way out here for the fucking, what was it, an hour to get E85? None in the whole state of Rhode Island. $42.
Get that son of a bitch out of my sight.
That's a kitty. That's a kitty, nigga. That's a Hellcat, boy. That's the real deal.
Remember when I was a kid, I didn't want to beg, I was quick to go steal me some. Yeah.
Oh my God! God damn! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That shit is tough. Look at how big I am. I know. I was thinking that. Because I was like, if I ever could afford one, would I be able to fit in it?
Whoa, go crazy! Go crazy!